Hi everybody. Just wanted to give you a brief rundown on the derivation of the excitation table for the SR flip-flop. On the left you see all possible inputs, present states, and next states for the SR flip-flop grouped into rows of two. There's hold, reset, set, and don't care. We don't care at the bottom two because if you assert both set and reset at the same time, it puts the SR latch into a don't care state. It's a race condition. What we want to do is want to find what could possibly create a transition between something like state Q being in 1 to next state Q plus being a 0. And the answer is there's only one way to do it. You assert S as being 0 and reset as being a 1. But there's two ways to transition from 1 to 1. Therefore, you have a don't care in the most significant bit for set. We can do the same thing for the JK flip-flop. We put in all possible combinations for present state and inputs on the left, and then we write out what the next state should be. The next state, we're going to group the rows into elements of 2 at a time. We'll have the hold state, the reset state, the set state, and the toggle state. In the hold state, we just copy the present state of Q over to Q plus. So we write 0 and 1. For reset, everything's 0. For set, everything's 1. For toggle, we just invert. Now we do the excitation table. We write out the present state and the next state in all possible combinations, just counting in binary now. Now what we got to do is figure out what the inputs should be on J and K in order to create the transition from 0 to 0. And we see there's two ways to do that. You can input 0, 0 when you're in state 0, and it will hold. Or you can input 0, 1, and that will assert that you should go to reset, and therefore you have a don't care on JK for the least significant bit, the K bit. Similarly, there's two ways to create the 0, 1 transition, and so there's the presence of a don't care. There's two ways to create the 1, 0 transition, so again, a presence of a don't care, and you find by inspection there's two ways to create the 1, 1 transition, and again, there's a presence of a don't care. So the excitation table for the JK flip-flop has more don't cares, two more don't cares, than the RS latch has. And so that makes it so that the JK flip-flop implementations are in general more efficient than the SR flip-flop implementations, because SR flip-flops require specificity on at least half of the inputs, whereas the JK has got 2 rows where you can have some don't cares. And those don't cares can be used to your advantage when you're doing your K-maps. Hope you like my little presentation. Thanks very much. Bye.